Hey everybody, this is Mom Party. I'm Jessica, this is Jackson, and we're gonna show you how to make this ombre pumpkin wreath today. I would absolutely love it if you would take a minute to like this video and subscribe to my channel. His new thing is wearing sunglasses inside. It's pretty cool. I think I glued it to the table. Oh. False alarm. Don't eat it. Bless you. Bless you. I got these pumpkins from Target. They're an 8-pack. They come with this like cream color, and then I spray painted the rest of them white. And I got these mini pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. For all the little pumpkins, I pulled the stem right out of the top, and it made it a lot easier to spray paint, and also it has that hole at the top. So I'm taking spare paintbrushes, and that's how I'm gonna hold each pumpkin while we paint it. Can you paint? Good job. We're gonna end up with some Jackson Pollock looking pumpkins. To create the ombre paints, I put white in each of these bowls, and then started with the lightest color and added a little bit of red and a little bit of yellow until I got the color I wanted. And then I knew to kind of like double it for the next bowl, and then double what I put in the second bowl and the third bowl. The color that we're using right now is our middle color, and you don't have to have an equal amount of lightest, middle, and then darkest color. You can kind of mix it up a bit. Don't eat it. We're good. While our pumpkins are drying, I'm gonna make some little leaves to put in between all of the pumpkins on our wreath. I have these little pieces of felt that I've already cut out. You can find templates in the description below. I feel like I say that in my sleep. In the description below. In the description below. To make them look a little bit more like leaves, I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue on one end and then pinch it closed so that it ends up looking like this. Try not to hot glue it to your finger. Last one. The wreath that we're using is just a 14-inch bamboo embroidery hoop because I like the minimalistic look. Most of my pumpkins are dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these little stems that I pulled out to paint back in the hole in the top of them. I thought I was being so organized with putting all the stems in this little plastic bag, and I'm missing one. Originally, I had left the 2 cream colored pumpkins from the pack that I got from Target unpainted, but they were so different from the ones that I had painted that I mixed a little bit of white into my very lightest color and just gave them a really light coating, and now it doesn't seem so like perfectly cream, obviously painted by hand. I'm gonna start at kind of the top left, right, right. Anybody else do that? Have a really hard time with their left and right? They're like 30 years old and should not have a hard time with their left and right. I'm gonna start at the top-ish right and then work my way down to the bottom, starting from lightest color to darkest color. Okay, now I'm just gonna use a crap ton of glue to make these guys stay on the embroidery hoop. I think I glued it to the table. Oh, false alarm. Look at that ombre. That turned out really, really well. Like it? Let us know in the comments if you were successful in your wreath making, and if you also had to use 500 pounds of hot glue to make it stay. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you have loved today's video. New videos every Thursday at 3 p.m., so I will see you guys then. Say bye-bye.